What is a processor? Similar to that of the human brain that commands the entire functioning of voluntary and involuntary actions, the processor, also called the CPU or central processing unit of the system, is the hardware that performs all the instructions given to a computer. It consists of two main parts: 1. Arithmetic and logic unit and control unit, and 2. Cache memory. And this together forms the processor core. The arithmetic and logic unit are directed by the control unit, and with the help of the cache memory executes instructions on the system. The instructions are executed with the help of cache memory, which holds memory units called registers on processor chips for storing and processing the data using logic gates. A processor is a combination of one or more cores with supporting hardware and software resources. When there is only one core, it is called a single-core processor, and a combination of two single-core processors becomes a dual-core processor. And when two dual-core processors are combined, it forms a quad-core processor. A processor can execute n number of instructions per second. The speed of a processor is defined by the number of instructions it is capable of executing per clock cycle. The architecture and clock cycle of each processor differs from one make to another. If the processor is labeled as 2.6 GHz speed, it is capable of executing 2.6 billion instructions per second. Execution of instructions is carried out using the system buses, wherein system buses are the carriers of the electrical signals representing the machine-level language, bitstream zeros and ones. This is where the 32-bit and 64-bit processor comes into play. This can be explained well with an example of a highway road that consists of several lanes. A 32-bit processor is capable of handling data in and out via 4 lanes, each of which is 1 byte wide, thus supporting only a memory of up to 4 GB, while the 64-bit processor is capable of handling data in and out via 8 lanes that eventually supports memory above 4 GB. This enhances the speed of the system.